Hey campers, this is Angel. I'm here today with a 2023 Forest River Salem Hemisphere 271RL. This is a massive camper, full fiberglass, even has a little windshield in the front. This is one of the best insulated RVs in the market. Lots of storage underneath, and you even have an aluminum frame on the camper. You're going to have electric stabilizers on both sides of the RV, two opposing slides. You're going to have marine grade speakers to listen to all the music you want, with two awnings to provide lots of shade, especially when you're camping out there on sunny days. And then you could even mount up a TV. Walking into the camper, you have these solid steps to safely get up into the camper. And then you have the freestanding dinette. A lot of people like this over the booth dinette. Recliners. Then you have a trifold sofa, so you could easily sleep another two to three people here in the living room. Fireplace with a huge TV. Then you got 3 burner range with oven and full full kitchen. Lots of storage, lots of cabinet storage. Then here you are on this side. Big shower with medicine cabinet and lots of space. And storage in the bathroom. Here's your room with lots of space all around. This camper does have two ACs. Then you have a huge closet right there. Again, this is the 2023 Salem Hemisphere 271RL here at Blue Compass RV.